Listen, pretty girls, let me sing you a song. And if you know the words, then maybe you can sing along. But if you don't, that's fine with me, 'cause I will sing it peacefully. Know that 4 chords isn't enough. I'll